Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Amazon nail extension kit. First, lay out all your kit components, including the UV or LED lamp, nail tips, and various gel polishes. Next, prepare your natural nails by gently pushing back your cuticles and lightly buffing the nail surface. This creates a clean canvas for optimal adhesion. Make sure your nails are completely dry and free of any oils before moving to the next step. Now, let's move on to applying and shaping your nail tips. Carefully select the correct size tip for each finger, ensuring it covers your natural nail from sidewall to sidewall without gapping. Apply a small amount of nail glue to the tips well and firmly press it onto your natural nail for about 10 to 15 seconds. Once secure, trim the tips to your preferred length and meticulously shape them with a nail file for a smooth, natural look. With your tips in place, it's time for the gel application. Start by applying a very thin, even layer of base coat over your entire nail, including the extension tip. Cure this under your UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. Next, apply 1 to 2 thin coats of your chosen extension gel, curing each layer for 60 to 90 seconds. Finally, apply a thin layer of top coat, cure for 60 to 120 seconds, and wipe with an alcohol wipe for a glossy finish. For the finishing touches, gently file and buff your newly extended nails to perfect their shape and smooth out any minor imperfections. This step ensures a professional and polished look. Don't forget to apply a nourishing cuticle oil around your nail beds. This helps to moisturize and keep your cuticles healthy. To maintain your beautiful extensions, avoid harsh chemicals and continue to apply cuticle oil regularly for lasting wear and shine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.